we're going to be doing a transmission flush on this 2022 Lexus ES300h.
Okay, so first we're going to start by removing the lower engine cover. So we're going to remove those plugs all around it, pushing clips. Okay, and then there's some 10mm on the front. So there's one. Just go ahead and move this other one around. One in the corners. And another one's going to be on this side, this corner. And it just slides full back and it removes. Okay, now with the 10mm back socket, I'm going to go ahead and remove our fill plug first. There we go. You always want to remove the fill plug first, just in case you're not able to remove it. Okay, let's put that on the side. And we're going to go ahead and remove our drain plug. Same thing, 10mm. So we're going to go ahead and install our drain plug. So we install a new washer. Let's go ahead and install this. Okay, then we're going to torque it. So we're going to torque it to 50mm. Okay, so we're gonna go and fill it. Okay, so after we filled it up, let me go ahead and remove it. See how nothing dripped out? You still have to fill it up a little bit more. Okay, we went ahead and added a little bit more fluid. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. There we go. So the way to level the transmission fluid, that has to stop spilling, and that's how you know it's at level. Okay, so after it stops spilling, I'm going to go ahead and start a new washer and plug it back in. So same thing, we're going to torque it to 50mm. we go. Okay, so after we install our plug, we're gonna go ahead and clean the area. Make sure it's clean. Same thing with underneath the plug. Wipe it down. Okay, and after that, you're gonna go ahead and put the undercover, and then that's the whole service.